Hello students, a very warm welcome to class 9th, and this is your English main course book Beehive, and today we will start the first chapter of this book, and the topic is The Fun They Had, written by Isaac Asimov, and you will find worksheet 1 related to this chapter. So let's begin. First of all, I want to introduce the author Isaac Asimov, who is a writer and he specially wrote about science fictions. He was born on 2nd January 1920 and died on 6th April 1992. So let's begin the chapter. Before starting the chapter, there are some questions, and I think that you are also curious about these questions. Sometimes we heard from our parents that in our time the studies went on like this and like this. And when we think about the future, these questions arises in our mind. What kind of school would you want to have in the future? How much will the computer be involved in the future education? Will you feel more happy in a more developed high-tech society? Why or why not? Now see students, you can connect to this story very well in this present scenario of lockdown. When you are not allowed to go to school, you are not allowed to meet your friends, you cannot sit in the classes with your friends, you cannot talk to your teachers face to face, or you cannot join the assembly together. Instead of this, you have to sit at home doing your studies all alone with the help of mobile phones or laptop. But you know, this is a temporary situation and it will be normal soon. And in this story, we will see that the children are studying in the same way, but it is a permanent system. So, before starting the story, I want to introduce the characters of this story. The main characters are two children. One is Tommy, who is 13 years old, and one is Maggie, a girl who is 11 years old. Because this is a story from future time, this is the time of 2157 year. So the names are according to that time. Let's begin. In the year 2157, the two students found an old book. The book which they found belonged to Tommy's grandfather, and they see that the pages are yellow and crinkly. And because this is the time of 2157, so this kind of books doesn't exist anymore. In their time, words are moving on a TV screen, as you are studying nowadays and you are scrolling the matter on computer or laptop or mobile phones, just like this. And their TV contains over 1 million of books. That is the reason Tommy thinks that they are much better when they see that the words are not moving and they have to turn the pages, and one book contains only a little matter. And this school is especially about the schools centuries ago. It means our time. It is 2018, 17 or 19 or 20. So in this story, Margie is very surprised that in the past time, the students had a person as a teacher, and all the children of same age sit in a same class together and they learned the same things, and then they went to a school house with other children. And in their time, in 2157, they have their mechanical teachers, or we say them robot in our time. They are black, large, and has a screen on it. and those mechanical teacher teach the student, gives them exercises and ask them question, and it all happens in a special room in their own house which they call school. It means for us school is a vast building with many rooms, library, lab, playground, and for those children of future school is only a room where they go and sit in front of a mechanical teacher and do their studies. And whenever they give test, the marks calculated in no times because it is done by a machine. Margie hates the slot where she has to insert her homework on test papers. And once a geography sector of her teacher, mechanical teacher, has geared too quick and her marks are getting worse to worst. So her mother called a county inspector. A county inspector is like an engineer for those mechanical teachers, mechanical robots. So the county inspector comes and she becomes happy as she think that the mechanical teacher would be away for a long time. But county inspector geared up that mechanical teacher according to the age of Margie, and now it becomes some slow. When Tommy tells her about the book which he has found, and he says that it is not about their type of school, but it is about a school centuries ago, and they find out after reading that students back then had a man as a teacher who taught all the girls and boys, gave them homework, and asked them questions. They had a special building and they learned the same thing if they were of same age. At first, Margie does not understand how a person could be a teacher and how the students were taught the same thing, because her mother says that education must be according to each child's mind. So these schools seem her funny, but she wants to read more about it. Schools in the future will be very bad. Nowadays it is very good and the students have much fun, as in the starting 18 line Margie says, I hate school. Here she is talking about her type of school, the school where she has to sit with a mechanical teacher. But at last she says Margie was thinking about how the kids must have loved it in the old days. It means when she came to know about the schools of previous time, it means our time, she enjoyed a lot it, and she thought that those schools were better than her schools. So in the middle of story they both has to go to their school. Margie goes to the schoolroom in her house where the mechanical teacher stands. It is already on because the lessons are always at regular hours, as you are having your classes regularly on your computer or your laptop according to schedule. But when she thinks about the schools of previous time, she just lost in those memories. And I also think that school nowadays is better than in this story. In the future, in the school as described by the writer, social aspect is lost. As you have heard a term, social distancing. We are doing it just because we have to keep ourselves safe from a certain virus. But here in this story, social distance is there. The students are not meeting to each other. They are not playing together. They are not studying together. There is no fun anywhere in the school. Everybody sits in front of their computer and the students cannot learn together because every child learns different things. But school today is not as good and funny as Margie thinks. Almost nobody today would say that he likes school. And there are many problems like forms with too many students. But even then, I think regular teachers cannot be the solution. I think this story is very interesting as it shows us a glimpse of the future. When everybody owns a mechanical teacher or a machine teacher, and this story gives us food for thought. We can imagine it, how school should be and how much computer determine our lives. So in my opinion, it is an excellent story to read out. Now come to the content of this story. This story is telling us the difference between present school and the future school. So if we talk about the books, in present school we have real books which are printed on papers, and in future maybe we will have telebooks, e-books on the screen. If we talk about teachers in present schools, the students have a teacher, a real person who is communicate with them, who is able to understand their emotional need. But in future school, robots are working like a machine. They are giving test after test, no communication, and they are having a cold behavior towards students. The next difference is of classrooms. In present school, the students teach in a building and many students are sitting in a class and they are learning the same thing. But in future school, they have a room or so-called school in their own house, and they don't need to leave house, and each kid could be taught differently. If we talk about homework and test, in present school exams take place. Students have to give test, paper, writing and essay writing. But in future school, they write everything on the computer by pressing some punch code. Now you can see a scenario on your slide. This is the scenario of present school. It means old school for Tommy and Margie. And I hope you are remembering your school days or your classroom. And here is another slide which is showing future school. A single student sitting in front of a computer or doing studies. Here comes your first worksheet, and this is the summary part. If we talk about the theme of this chapter, the theme is that of education. The story deals with the future of education, which will become computerized and estranged from social interaction. If we talk about the message, the writer is giving us a warning against the dangers of computerized homeschooling, which deprives children of the benefits of personal interaction or emotional interaction, which can help them to develop social skills. If we justify the title suits the story, the fun they had. As the two students, Tommy and Margie, find and learn about old schools which are very much different from their time. So I hope you enjoyed the story, and you will get this worksheet on school website. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.